how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. This is going to be the last time, guys. I swear, this is going to be the last time I'm gonna dye my hair for now, for a little while. I know I've been getting really crazy with the hair dyeing lately, but I just really feel like experimenting. But today I'm going to dye my hair and it's going to be the last color I'm going to dye my hair for a little while, because I'm going to dye my hair red. And if you've ever had red hair, which I never got it, you know it's going to be really difficult to get out. So I'm just gonna dye my hair red and then I'm just gonna let my hair breathe for a moment and then, you know, we'll see what happens. But I'm just gonna dye my hair one last time. So I hope you guys are interested in that. Before I'm going to dye my hair, I just quickly want to ask you guys to please vote for me for the Dutch Nix Face Awards. I am in the top 5, so I really need your help to win this competition. It is the last round. They're gonna announce the winner next week. So yeah, please vote for me. I will leave the link of where to vote in the description box down below. But if you're seeing this video after the 19th of June, you can just like forget what I just said, because voting has closed by then. But if you're seeing this before the 19th, then please vote for me. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the color I'm going to dye my hair today is Blood Moon by Lunar hair dye. I've been wanting to have red hair for as long as I can remember. I think that red was actually like the first color I ever wanted to dye my hair, so when I was around like 12 years old. But I've never had red hair before, so I'm super excited to finally dye my hair red. So I'm just quickly going to wet my hair, because with this specific hair dye you actually need to apply it on towel dry hair. Because can you go away? I'm filming a video, please. I love living in the city, oh my god. Because with this specific hair dye you actually need to apply it on towel dry hair. Because I get a lot of people asking questions of like, why do you apply it to wet hair? You're not supposed to do that. But with this hair dye you actually are supposed to apply it to towel dry hair. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my wet hair and my hair dyeing t-shirt. And I think I'm just gonna start applying the dye to my hair. Let's get started. Yes. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful color. And in case you're wondering, no, I do not have gloves. I always run out of gloves and then I forget to buy new ones. So that's kind of my life. By the way, I'm looking at the mirror right there, so if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm sorry, but I kinda need to see what I'm doing. It's kind of crucial when you're dyeing your hair. But whenever I'm dyeing my hair, I always start with the roots. So I always start with the roots and then work my way downwards. Because in this way I kind of know what parts I've already had and what not. It kind of just makes it easier for me. So, you know, you can do that too if you want to. Also, I've dyed my hair so many times in the last time that I don't even feel nervous or anything anymore, because I used to feel kind of nervous whenever I dyed my hair, because I was like, how is it gonna turn out? But I'm just like, oh, whatever. Just dyeing my hair again for the 10,000th time this week. So yeah. Also, I'm just applying it on top of the hair dye that's already in my hair right now, because I still have a little bit of mauve left. But I feel like mauve and red are kind of in the same color category. So I feel like it's totally fine to just apply it on top of it. But if you have green hair or something, you definitely do not want to put red on top of it, because that's just gonna turn into like brown. I actually dyed my hair mauve about a week ago, I think, or maybe 2 weeks ago. But the problem with that hair color was it didn't really stick to my hair, because mauve is a pretty light color, so it's not very pigmented at all. And since my hair is pretty damaged, it just didn't really want to take the color that well. It just was really patchy and not very pretty, and actually the color faded so quickly. It was crazy. Like, I didn't even wash my hair and the color faded. Like, I don't know why. It just really didn't stuck to my hair. So that's why I also feel like dyeing my hair again, because it just wasn't really what I wanted it to be. Because if I would have had like beautiful mauve hair right now, I probably wouldn't have dyed it red. But it faded so quickly. And I mean, I know why, but still, it was really strange. But I'm pretty sure it's not because of the hair dye, because I've seen so many people with that exact same hair dye and it looked beautiful on them. But you just need to have like a very light and even base, because otherwise it's not gonna work out, I think. So yeah. Oh my god, I put it all over my ears. I shouldn't, I don't want it there. This is gonna stain like crazy, I already know it. I literally dropped the hair dye on my floor. Oh my god. I just dropped my foundation on the floor and now I dropped that hair dye on the floor. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to do the back of my hair off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the back of my hair as well, because I kind of need to have like 2 mirrors in front of each other to kind of see what I'm doing. So that's what I just did. So the back of my hair is now covered as well. So now I'm just going to do the rest of my hair. And my hands are gonna be incredibly red, and they already are, but they're gonna be so much worse. So let's get started. I actually like to apply the hair dye with my hands a lot more than applying it with a brush, because it just kind of makes it easier. It is a lot more gross, as you can see. It looks like blood, oh my god. It's a lot more gross, but you know, it does make it easier, because I can just like rub it into my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so the hair dye is in my hair. As you can see, obviously it's looking very red, and I actually really love the color right now, and it matches my lipstick perfectly, so that's great. My hands are so incredibly stained right now. I should have definitely just bought some gloves, but I was too lazy, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around like a serial killer for the next 5 days, I think. But you know, nothing I can do about that right now. So I'm just going to let this sit in my hair for about an hour. And then I'm going to rinse it out with cold water. And then I'll be right back with my new red hair. So, see you in an hour. So yeah guys, this is my new hair color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I absolutely love this color. I think it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's also so bright. I think the thing with the mauve hair color, like, I feel like I've said this like 1,000 times already, but I feel like the mauve was just a little bit too subtle for me, because I like my hair colors to be a little bit more extreme. So this is actually perfect. I love it so much. My hands are still really stained, by the way, like it's not okay. I've washed my hands 100 times right now, but they're still like this. I also just curled my hair, but I'm not very good at it, so it's like, it's looking really weird. I don't know how to do this. I've got so much hair and it's just horrible to work with. But anyways, I absolutely love this hair color. I love the hair dye as well. Like, it's such a good hair dye. It's so pigmented. And I only needed to have a little less than half of the pot that I got. So I can dye my entire hair again if I want to. So that's great as well. If you want to use the hair dye as well, you can use code crystallindyy for 10% off your purchase. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a little bit of money off every sale. But honestly, I'm not saying this to earn money. I just absolutely love this hair dyeing brand. It is my ultimate fave. I actually bought this hair dye myself because I just really wanted to have it like ASAP. So you know, I'm not doing it to make money. I just want you guys to know that this is a pretty amazing hair dye. So yeah, I hope you guys like my new hair and I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And I really want to thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!